Here's the app called Question.AI Math Solver. Powerful AI learning assistant. It's getting some good ratings. It's getting quite high in the charts in education. So I was just thinking, okay, let's just try it out. So here you can just install the app. Just use double click to install it, and then then you'll just have it. Then you can just open it up. You can give access to the camera. You can allow tracking. And there are multiple categories. So you can just use it for translate. You can use it for math questions. You can use it for general questions. Okay, let's just use it for like math questions. So let's just do like a simple, like for example, I have just drawn it. So for example, let's say I just want to get like square root of this number. Then I can just move it and then just say, and then you see like AI answers to a question. The square root of 81 is 9. The square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives the original number as a result. In this case, when we multiply 9 by itself, we get 81. Therefore, the square root of 81 is 9. And then, okay, kind of makes sense. If you don't get it yet, you can just tap to explain it again. And then you just will get a bit advanced explanation. And then you can share app. You can also delete the chat. And then I'm doing all of it even without creating an account, without signing up. It's pretty cool. And then, of course, you can just sign up easily with Google or Apple. And then you can see your previous questions. So the difference of this app from many others like Gauss Math, a bunch like so many like these math solvers apps, is that it just has this additional AI chat, AI explanation. And in other apps before, I don't know how it is now, but basically you get a solution to your issue, but then and just very short explanation. If you want some additional explanation, usually you need to pay in some kind of coins, or if you want get a tutor to explain you, then you need also to pay it. Here you get pretty advanced explanation to basic problems without paying, just using AI. And sometimes it's enough. As you can see, for this question it was definitely enough. I didn't need to hire a tutor or just to pay additional coins. I don't know if there is a limitation for this or if you need to pay additionally, but that's what it is.